LinkedIn is aimed at professionals who want to network with other professionals. It is also a good platform for an agent to show expertise. Some agents use LinkedIn as a blogging platform and write posts to build up their profile as an expert. It allows agents to show thought leadership about the market, financing changes, and local issues. Encourage your agents to write a regular blog. Even a quarterly article will help build credibility and expertise. Agents are often too busy to focus on social media, so it may be helpful if you are able to write a skeleton of a blog post first and then send it to them for approval. A good blog post is brief, has a point of view unique to your agent, and shows deep thinking and expertise. Set Google alerts for the latest articles affecting the real estate industry and build a post around that topic. You can personalize your agent's LinkedIn page with a profile picture and a header.